today we have convinced Dad to let us have the day off so we can relax and explore the marine life so we don't have to do any hard work.
So we're starting off at Malay Bay and driving all the way past Tuma River. It should take about 2 hours depending on how many stops we take.
Oh my god, that feels so weird.
Yeah, only on the shell if you want to pat, not the head. They won't bite the head, pat them on the head.
Daisy excited, is she?
Can't wait to get out of my grip.
Coconut crabs are extremely strong and they can lift up to 28 kilograms. This thing can bite your fingers off.
Okay, here you go.
Oh, crab!
They bite? They did. They're cool.
Yay! Daisy's gonna love this one. Oh, we went snorkeling.
Mom, we should have brought our bathers. We should have brought our bathers.
Do you want to go swimming?
She's so excited because of the water.
Girls, can you watch out of the way for a minute? Starfish. Wow.
That tentacle's floppy. Who wants to hold the starfish?
Lexi, you want to hold the starfish?
I'm not Lexi, don't I?
Oh, I can see things on the rocks.
You can actually swim here, but we decided to leave our bathers in the car because we're going to be swimming at the next destination. As beautiful as this spot is, we got to get going to the next one. Let's go, guys.
Okay.
It's free time. Let's eat.
Why do you want all my food? I want to eat.
Give her a banana.
She can have some of my pull portion.
I'll just take whatever I want. Whatever I'm eating, she wants to eat.
I'm hungry.
Eat your sausage. What an awesome day off. We had so much fun today experiencing the real life of Vanuatu and getting up close and personal with these turtles. Such a cool experience for the girls. We've been loving the sunshine here and being able to get out in the water for these kids. I think they really appreciated not having to be stuck on the block. So thumbs up from us. We're gonna go get some rest, back to work tomorrow.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on notifications and give us a huge thumbs up.